Good day. This video contains the demonstration of each programs in Laboratory 6, which is interfacing keypad with Arduino Uno board. The materials needed for this laboratory is an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, resistor, LEDs and buzzer, jumping wires, and a keypad.
Program 1 simply shows how to connect a keypad to an Arduino using the keypad library. I connected the pins of the 4x4 keypad to the pins on the Arduino as per instruction. If I run the program, whatever I click here on the keypad will appear on the serial monitor. This is the code for the program with guide comments. Program 2 is an Arduino jukebox that is controlled by a 4x4 keypad. We also have here LEDs with light patterns for each song. Now if I run the program, we can see the menu that has 6 songs, and if I press the number on the keypad, the corresponding song will play. It should work like this. Now, if the user pressed a key aside from keys 1 to 6, a message will appear saying that it is an invalid key. This is the code for the program with guide comments.
For program 3, we were tasked to create a hexadecimal calculator that can perform the basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. As the user types in the numbers and operations using the keypad, the inputs will be displayed on the serial monitor. Now let us run the program and see how it works. So for example, let us press number 1. And as you've noticed, it typed in the number 1. Now let us add in a second number, so 6. So 1 and 6 is 16. Then let us add it with the number 2. Now press hashtag for equal sign, and now we have an answer which is 18. And before we proceed with the next equation, we must first press C to clear the calculator's memory. Here's an example if we do not clear it first. As you can see, it gave us the wrong output. But once we clear it, it will now give us the right answer. Now let us try a few more examples for the other operations. That's it for program number 3. Thank you for watching.
This is the program 4 of our Lab 6 password-driven piezo buzzer. So this is our Tinkercad. We have here our components. We have Arduino Uno R3. We have a breadboard. We have 5 different color LEDs. We have a piezo buzzer, and also we have a keypad here. So this is our code. In this program, the user must input the correct password combination. If the user inputted the correct password combination, it will play a certain melody, and also it will play a LED pattern. Also, if the user input incorrect password combination, it will also play a tone and also a different LED patterns. And then if the user inputted 3 incorrect password combinations, the keypad will be disabled. So let's try it. Let's start simulation. So here we have incorporated also the serial monitor here, so we can see what password combination we're inputting. So first, let's try the correct password combination. Our correct password combination here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see there's a melody and also there's a running light LED patterns. Then after 2 seconds, it will reset. So and then you can enter password again. So let's try incorrect password combinations now. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the incorrect tone and also the strobe pattern. Then last, our third incorrect password combination. Then it will prompt too many attempts, keypad is disabled. And that's it. That's our program for password driven piezo buzzer.